While punching bags do help boxers hone their craft, the things don't replicate one key aspect of real boxing: they don't punch back. The Boxing Buddy, which is currently on Indiegogo, is designed to address that shortcoming. Putting it simply, the Boxing Buddy setup consists of 2 padded robotic arms that get strapped onto a third-party punching bag at whatever height is desired. That said, the arms can also be mounted on a tree, a training mannequin, or any other sturdy vertical object. Utilizing an accompanying smartphone app, the Boxing Buddy can then be set to one of 3 modes. There's random sparring mode, in which the side, speed and frequency of the arm's punches is completely random; custom mode, in which users can pre-program those variables to concentrate on areas in which they need more practice; and coach mode, in which a coach uses the app to remotely control the arms in real time. Additionally, within each training mode, users can select one of 4 levels of difficulty. The app tracks their progress as they make their way up through different modes and levels. The whole system reportedly tips the scales at about 2 kilograms and can be set up in just a few minutes. A single 1.5-hour charge of its lithium-ion battery should be good for up to 10 hours of runtime. Assuming the Boxing Buddy reaches production, a pledge of $249 will get you a setup of your own. The planned retail price is $499. Potential buyers might also want to check out the Forearmed Strike RXT-1 training robot and the Bot Boxer, the latter of which ducks the user's punches.